We strongly suggest you're outsourcing your entire search engine optimization strategy to a professional that specializes in search engine optimization. The truth is, there are many challenges associated with SEO, which you will learn in this video. We'll also tell you why you should outsource your SEO project to an agency and how we can help you. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. To see more videos like that, subscribe to this channel and click on that bell to get notified of new video we posted, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and leave a comment. There are a number of major challenges with search engine optimization. A few of them include different skills required. Search engine optimization is a very large and diverse area. In turn, many different skills are required in order to get the most from it. This includes being skilled at content creation, keyword research, structuring content in a way that is appealing to users and search engines. Other skills needed in industry include social media marketing, familiarity with video marketing and creation, as well as the ability to use analytical tools and building a wide public relation network. These are only a handful of skills you need in order to be a master in search engine optimization. The algorithm and industry changes. Once you have finally gotten the skills, the industry throws changes at you. We have seen it time and time again. What works today might not work a few months down the road. In fact, the industry changes extremely quickly, which means you have to change with it just as fast. The truth is, algorithms are constantly being updated. Sometimes websites easily come out on top, and many times they don't. This can often be due to a poorly thought out search engine optimization strategy. A professional keeps up with the ever-changing industry and stays on top of the algorithm changes, both small and major ones. Time and cost related issues. There's also the issue of cost. Working on one project can be costly enough, both in money and time. You have to dedicate a ton of time to master search engine optimization. Not only that, but competing against sites that are managed by professional search engine optimization agencies is incredibly difficult. This is because agencies have different experts to work on different areas of search engine optimization. Furthermore, agencies have experience working on several projects at any given time. Why outsource SEO projects to an agency? You should consider outsourcing your search engine optimization projects to an expert that specializes in search engine optimization. A few of the top reasons why are cost effective. You should outsource your search engine optimization as a complete service because hiring a full staff of specialists to create strategies is expensive. A company has team members that solely focus on search engine optimization. If your business isn't the business of offering search engine optimization services, then you'll save money by using an expert company instead of hiring your own staff. Experience. Another reason to outsource is because agencies have experience across any array of industries. They also have experience in industries that are already more advanced from a digitalization point of view. Having experience in such industries and applying the learning to your industry will always place you ahead of your competition. Know what works. A straightforward path to success is knowing what works and what doesn't work. The best agencies know what search engine optimization methods are working and what aren't working, and which trends are coming up that might be worth trying. Regularity. Let's not forget to mention that agencies' main goal is to grow your business. They are very regular when it comes to the work they put in. In turn, your business could experience growth month after month. Scaling. Outsourcing is a good idea if you want to scale your business with search engine optimization. When it comes to scaling a business, experience is a tremendous asset. Once a search engine optimization company figures out what search engine optimization techniques are working for your business, they'll double the efforts on what works and stop what does not. Once the sweet spot is reached, you get more out than you put in. You can start to double the budget in order to get double the results, and so on. It's not just about doubling the spending to get double the results, and so on. The agency will have to experience to create the strategy for the growth and monitor closely to make sure you get a good return on investment. This is what will take your business to the next level. Reporting. Finally, you want to outsource your search engine optimization because you'll be given reports. Agencies monitor their efforts and then provide you with regular reports. This will inform you of what was done and what has worked. These reports will reveal whether or not you're on the right track. Those are only a handful of reasons to outsource search engine optimization. The bottom line is this. Agencies offer complete SEO solutions that have been proven to work and or have a high chance of working. Make sure to ask for case studies and testimonials. In-house and outsourcing SEO combined solutions. Some companies have an in-house team working on their online marketing project, and they realize that they would like to have the above mentioned advantage of working with an agency. At FairTech, we believe having an in-house team to do a bit of work while at the same time using a professional search engine optimization company can be cost effective. You'll rehab both benefits of using both an expert company and bring down the cost of having an in-house team. For this, we've developed a custom package that will combine your in-house and outsourcing efforts for the best results. What a team of search engine optimization professionals do is work alongside your in-house team to create and implement strategies with your specific goals in mind. Your team can play a crucial role in saving time doing the part that needs in-depth knowledge of your company's services and products. The agencies will monitor the efforts, then report to you the success of the project. Finally, a team of experts can provide mentorship to your team members. They'll provide them with training that actually works. If necessary, the experts can put on a workshop for your workers, which means they'll learn everything they need in order to continue to provide you with quality search engine optimization services. What this means for your company is you'll reduce the cost thanks to the work done in-house, but still have the advantage of an external eye on the project that makes sure you achieve your goal and report to you. When asking for your free strategy session, just specify if you wish to outsource your complete SEO package, or if you already have an in-house team, or if you plan to build one. Request for a free strategy session now. I will post a link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at SEO Consulting is Your Secret Weapon. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.